PDM.
Urukiko rwahitabwamo abakuzire ku rwo mu district z'urukore cyangwa cya Ankore kandi rwabarugenderera kushomesa abantu ha sente government eriyo ne kutandika kuhereza abantu aba as a special enterprise grant for elder persons. Bitu minister kuyimuka yabuza abantu aba yaba programs za government nezibahika aho bayoreka ngutine nemwe yiba yejumbiremu noboye kube ya parish development model
tukonyirwe mu PDM mu habo kuba sente buzikwijja itu tubatumanyire gonzi no baraharo guidelines ezikugamba ngu tuli supposed kutunga 10% by 10% tukitunga
witukabale zikahikayo konka ziri account abweshonga ariko bakuzire kuri groups asakuzi for instance bakayihamu abagurusi n'abakayikuru bakabihisamu kushashure sete bakajya mu maze muri 15 buryo umwe tubone kubahandika so abakayikuru n'abagurusi bagabo batazina
ahantu ho minister yabaragera ngo bahandiko kwetumbita kwabo nuko atandikiraho kubahwera.
You prepare what it should be, and once it's acceptable, then you all endorse.
Yeah.
And then we take that to the Secretariat and to the Minister of Local Government who is in charge. And we say, this is how we want our PDM handled as older persons.
Okukwa kwijagambe ki ogulya kijagamba kiriye ogulya kiriye so tine nanke cyashazirwe mbwene resolution eje itwakora nintegateka ngo neza kukwera aba ministries kureba cyakora ikintu
umurikiko n'urwo rumwe David Kabigumera or national coordinator w'abakuzire mu ihanga yashaba bakikuru n'abagurusa bo kwejumbira umuhuru yatweragurize na yeresirwe kutambira amagara gabo. Omugandi erizoba bebembeza barukora gureta Mbarara bayireko kwetombwita habwe sente za parish development models cererirwe aho ebigombe bingi bitine kibyatungire okugambe bino babana bavuganaho minister w'byobushubuzi Francis Mwebesa hamwe n'umuhabuzi wa president hanshonga za parish development model Professor Ephraim Kamuntu aharaka mukuzi.
And in October we received 25 million which went to the 63 circles also. So as in summary, we have 67 circles that did not receive 17. However, COW in June, after the 4th June, COW notified the PSST about the funding inadequacy, and we are still waiting for the funds.
In the second batch, we received 1 billion, 100 million. Therefore, the total for the revolving funds in Kazo district circles is 1 billion 576 million.
Hona nabwo cyayereka ngo abantu nibihwaho sente kuhandika ibina byabo ekintu kibaru kugira ngo kiteganise nkora ya parish development model.
Photocopying those forms, they were saying even those forms to those people who were applying for the loans. Until also when we intervene, we said no, let the applicant meet his or her own costs, not selling the form.
Mixed issues, including the programs that failed long ago, that were not successful. So they are attaching those failures, whatever, but PDM. So to make somebody meet all stakeholders.
Uwe Ephraim Kamuntu yashaba bebembezo kushomesa abantu kwenkorejera kukora okugira ngo bingi bagiganyirwemu.
NRM 10-point program, all that parish development model is a strategy to achieve the goals of these commitments.
On average, you are rich people. And these rich people seeing it, whoever you call it, these U-boats will take. If you are to find out in your population by a leader there, you find about to have a way of group in so if they are there, you as leaders, try to make them go there. Sometimes even they don't have knowledge of going there. That's what we are talking about, sensitization of people.
Gurupe zitakatungire bahamiza bebembeza ngo nshongeje neija korwaho mu bwire butaro bwa hare gasha kwa Susan Charles Sima hamwe na Paulo Turiyamureba.